Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the standout pieces from Michael Kors, the women's bell sleeve off-shoulder top. If you're on the hunt for a chic and versatile addition to your wardrobe, you've come to the right place. Let's explore why this might just be the best Michael Kors top you could find right now. First off, let's talk design. This top features a stylish off-shoulder cut with elegant bell sleeves, which gives it a sophisticated yet relaxed vibe. Perfect for various occasions, whether you're heading to brunch with friends or a casual evening out. Crafted from 100% viscose, it's not only comfortable but also has that luxurious feel you'd expect from Michael Kors. Remember though, it's dry clean only, so keep that in mind for maintenance. I have it here in this beautiful navy printed color, which adds a touch of uniqueness to your outfit. This one's in size XS, and the fit is true to size, offering a flattering silhouette without being too snug. Now, what about practicality? It's a no-closure style, which makes it effortless to slip on and off. Pair it with jeans, trousers, or even a skirt, and you're good to go. It's the kind of piece that effortlessly transitions from day to night. To wrap things up, the Michael Kors women's bell sleeve off-shoulder top checks all the boxes for style, comfort, and versatility. Whether you're updating your wardrobe staples or looking for that perfect statement piece, this top delivers. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more fashion insights and product reviews. See you next time.